Hi, this is Atif and you're watching my channel where I'm posting the trading ideas and educational videos. If you didn't subscribe to my channel so far, then do subscribe it for more profit potential trading ideas and educational videos. And do remember that the information contained in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. Today I'm going to show you the analysis how the Bitcoin is losing its dominance over the altcoins. That is not a rocket science. I'm going to tell you in a very easy and simple way. First, we are going to see this coin market cap historical data of last 12 months of Bitcoin, and we can see in the month of July the market cap was $213 billion, $213 billion, $212 billion, $202 billion. Even sometimes we had $220 billion. And over here we can see, and this is $223 billion in the month of July. And when we will see this data in the month of October, then we can see it is decreased more than 31%. Now it is $149 billion and $154 billion and $147 billion. So it is decreased more than 31%. This is the major reason why the Bitcoin is losing its dominance over the altcoins. Now the question is where the investment is going. And simple answer is definitely the investment is going to the altcoins. Therefore, the altcoins are going good. Now let's move to the chart I've published about the altcoins index, and that is total 2 chart. And first I need to take you to my page on Tradingview, and this is the total 2 in the index. Total. And this chart I published on 16th of August. Basically, this index is the altcoins index, which represents the altcoins except Bitcoins. And you can see the price action has formed a bullish shark pattern, and that time the price action was just giving a spike within the potential reversal zone. And when I'll play the idea, then you can see the price action has completely entered in the potential reversal zone, and now it's gearing up. And I have also placed a volume profile which is showing that the traders are weak at this area, at this PRZ or potential reversal zone level. And I have also placed this Ichimoku cloud, and we can see the Ichimoku cloud on this 4-day chart is still bullish. So we have strong chances that the candlesticks or this price action will cross up this cloud, or it will hit this cloud. The MACD was strong bearish, but if you will see on the live chart, I'm just going to take you to the total 2 4-day live chart, and this would be the total 2 4-day live chart. And when I'll place the MACD on this 4-day chart, MACD, then we can see now the MACD is turned weak bearish. And if we'll see on the 2-day chart, then we can see the MACD is turned strong bullish on this 2-day chart. Here we can see the MACD is strong bullish. And if we will see the stochastic, and this is the stochastic indicator, then the stochastic has given the bull cross even on the 4-day chart. And this chart is basically an index which represents the Bitcoin dominance over the altcoins. And on this chart, first the price action dropped down in May 2017 and tried to break out from this resistance level, but could not break out and dropped down again and found a support here almost at 53.17, and After that, the price action took the bullish divergence and again dropped down and broke this support. Now, after breaking down, this support is working as a resistance, but the price action broke this resistance and found this support again and retested the support for the long period of time, almost up to April 2019. And at last, the price action took the bullish divergence and again hit the resistance level, which was working as a resistance level in May 2017. This is a very strong resistance level which is not broken since May 2017. Therefore, the price action is now bouncing back or moving down, and if we see the indicators, the MACD is turned strong bearish, and if we see the RSI was the overbought and now it is moving down, and if we see the stochastic is also overbought, so it has given the bear cross. So all the indicators are turning bearish. If we see the Ichimoku cloud, the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud is moving down, and I'm expecting that soon it will cross down the price action and we might have strong bearish candle like we had here and here coming soon on the way, or we might have the sideways trend of this price action. In both situations, the altcoins will be performing very well. But the real or major altcoin season can be started or depends on breaking down this support of bullish cloud and this support level of 53.17. After that, we can have a very massive altcoin season. But before that, at this time, we may have a very good altcoin season like we are having at this time. We can see many altcoins are moving up and performing well, and we are doing a good trading of altcoins. Even you can watch my videos. I am sharing the altcoin videos on a daily basis, the altcoin trades, and they are getting successful 100%, almost 100 or 90%. So now the fear factor of trading altcoins should be finished or decreased. You shouldn't be scared. If you're trading with the right strategy, you shouldn't be scared that the Bitcoin can ruin your party. There is one more very important thing I want to discuss with you, is that I have placed the volume profile from here, from May 2017 up to now, and you can see the volume profile is showing that the traders are not interested at this resistance level and above this resistance level. This is another very clear indication that the price action will drop down, and the traders are interested from this area up to the support, and they are not interested to trade below this area. So the price action can be dropped up to this support, and that can be a very good for the altcoins move. So this is the right time to enter in the altcoin trading. Whether you're doing day trading or long-term trading, it doesn't matter, but you should be using the right use of strategies, the right use of indicators, the right use of oscillators, the right use of chart patterns, the harmonic patterns. If you don't know the strategies, first learn and then try to trade the altcoins. And if you want to learn, you can also join my channel, follow my channel. I am also sharing my own trading strategies with my own trades here with all insights. I am not hiding anything. I am also sharing the Tradingview's link in the video's description. You just need to click on that link, and after when you will be on the Tradingview, you just need to select this people option. And after selecting this people option, you just need to write my username, moon333. Then you'll find my link. And from this link, you can follow any of my idea. All my ideas and charts are available here on my page. I have shared all my charts and my trades here. I'm also sharing the link of Binance exchange. If you don't have account there, then I would suggest you to create your account there, because Binance is the exchange which has the largest volume of every cryptocurrency. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Take care. Goodbye.